So have you wondered what a Orbiter v2.5 looks like? I want to know, so I'm planning to take it apart. Though that I just got it and it might sound a little bit rash just to take it apart so soon. I'm curious and I want to find out. This is their this screwdriver that came with it, and I'm going to use one of my own. So it's like more handy. And so essentially just screw it out. Take the screw out. Ooh. So one screw. How can I take this off? Look at that. Do I need to take the knob off? I think that's how it's going to work. Ooh. Yay, so it looks like this. It's a rather big gear, bigger than I've expected. I got used to BMG gears and I saw every printer, like, I just felt like every printer used small gears. So, the motor is almost off. We could take a look at the motor. So, here's the motor. It just looks like the normal everyday motor you see, but feels pretty heavy though. Here's the gears, and there's that's how many gears. 1, 2, 3. Wait. That's 10 gears. Yeah, like 10 to sorry. Let's put it aside. This is the extruder. Yay, the extruder. Motor bye-bye. Knob bye-bye, screw bye-bye. We're going to take this screw off also. And we have the complete orbiter. Not the complete though, like the orbiter extruder. And now I'm going to take this thing apart. I hope that not everything will fall out. I feel if that happened, I might not be able to put it back. Ooh, this clip. So this clip, and let's see, how can we get this off? Ooh, it's quite easy to get it off. Here's just the normal LDO gears. And I'm not sure if I should just take it out by hand. Yeah, this is, wow, they put a lot of grease on it. It kind of makes sense though. You could just take it off like that. I saw this a lot harder. Ooh, why this one is not coming off? Da da da. Da da da. Ooh. Looks like you cannot take it off from here. Alright. Then, not this one. Couldn't take it off. This. Can I take it off? It's not loose, so how? I mean, I don't know. How can you go to the inside if this is not, like, I really can't take it off. It's very greasy and it's, no, you couldn't just take it down by force though. Like, there must be another way. There should be something hiding. Ooh, you could see, can you see this? So here's the gear inside, and wait, so you also see that little thing here. Well, let me use a different thing to point. This shining steel part here, this is like where the filament goes to, and you have this that close it. So that looks very good. I mean, it's an orbiter. And yeah, I guess I just need to put it back. I'm expecting to tearing everything apart, but looks like I'm not able to do that. So I just won't put all the gears on. Can I just crack all of them in by putting this in? No. I need to put them in place first. Why you're not going down? So let's try if I could push everything down using this. Just reverse it. Yay! Everything in place. I didn't get too much grease on my hand. Put this. Wait, it's this way or this way? I actually don't know. Like, I'm not paying attention when I took it apart. But anyways, ooh. Looks like it's this way? No, it's not. Doesn't fit this way. Well, it fits now. And I need to mount the motor. The gears doesn't fit in. What is happening? Yay. Now it works, and screw one. Ow. Oh no. Yeah, come on. And then it's going to fit. And then screw two. So now make them tighter. Yeah. We're going back. So now the knob, spin, 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 spin. Yeah. Everything's alright now, and you could take out the filament by pushing this, I think. Very hard to push though, a little bit tight. So this is the orbiter extruder. I'm not successful taking everything apart. I just managed to take apart the gearbox, and this is it, the orbiter extruder v2.5. Bye.